Okay, moving up to the receive now of the Commando SD300, which is the same as the Harvard Good Buddy, and that other one, which names eludes me at the moment. We've currently got 3 microvolts on the signal generator. It sounds absolutely dreadful. I'm just going to check the detector isn't miles out. So we'll do that first. I'll just switch the other camera on so you can see that, and move my head. We're on the left-hand oscilloscope, so I'll just mask that a bit better. The detector is T16, which is this one down here. So on this occasion I'm going to do this first because it just sounds so ropey. But to be honest, that wasn't far out. All I can say, folks, is that these are atrocious performers. Receive. The first receive one coil is transformer 9. Mind you, at least we've got a bit more of it there. Transformer 10. Transformer 11. Transformer 12. Which for some reason I can't move. Okay, we'll just do something about that. I'll pause the video. Okay, that's moved transformer 12, I think it was there, onto 13. And 15. And whatever that one's called. Unbelievably, that was 0.3 of a microvolt. But, so they're not nice. I'm just going to just go through these 2 again. T9. And T10. Sounds about as stable as a bag of worms. Okay, well that's 0.3 of a microvolt. But it is horrible. Right, I'll just go and I'll just go back onto the detector and just see whether there's anything again can be gained from that. So it's T16. I think that's it. Okay, let's see if we can set up the S meter. So we've got S9. It is actually showing S9, but I just want to verify which is the preset. I suspect it's VR5, and I couldn't be more wrong. It is in fact VR3, I think it's called, which is the one just there. So I'll make a note of that. Now we'll set the squelch, turn the signal generator off, set the squelch to threshold, generator back on. That comes in at 1 microvolt, which is fine. Advancing the squelch on the radio to full and seeing when that comes in. Comes in at 100 microvolts. That is actually ideal, but I do need to verify which is the squelch preset. So we may upset it, but we can get it back right. I would think it's going to be VR6 there, and it is. So let's just put that back where it was and make sure it still works. Excellent, that's set up. So VR6 for the squelch preset, which is just there. So I'll make a note of that on my chart as well. Okay, variable resistor 5 here. We'll look at the circuit diagram. This radio, the audio IC, drives a output transformer. And for whatever reason, if we turn the volume up to full and adjust that, we get distortion. So, not quite sure how it's set. We don't have a manual. I've set it for no distortion. Well, as far as I can see it, that concludes the Harvard Good Buddy, or Commander SD300 in this case. And we'll put it on the air and see if we can actually hear anybody. Now hopefully in 15 minutes I've got Stuart at Grantham going to say hello to me, and I'll see if I can get it cased up in that kind of time. Right, hopefully you'll join me on an on the air video.